morning guys, and welcome to this week's vlog. Today I'm going to try one of the pastries I got yesterday when I was down in the city. I'm going to try the hash brown one that I got from Paris Baguette and have it with some of the breakfast I'm having today. I don't have a ton of things going on this morning. Not this morning, it's like 10:30. I slept in because I needed my body to like rest and recuperate from all that walking over the weekend. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I've ever shared this on here before, but I broke my leg like back in 2023 and I have like a metal rod and a bunch of screws in there now. I did do like what's it called, physical therapy. I did that for like a solid 7-8 months to get back my mobility, and I'm like not where I originally was, but I'm much better off than I would have been had I not gone to physical therapy. So all that to say is like if I'm doing like tons of walking and stuff, my ankle tends to swell up and my foot gets really swollen, so I have to like kind of sit down for a little bit and elevate my leg to help the swelling go down. So the swelling has gone down a lot today or this morning, but it's still pretty stiff, so I have to do like a bunch of stretches to kind of make it less tense than what it is. Like it is quite painful from time to time, but it is what it is at this point. So anyways, that's the reason why I slept in. And that's why I don't have a ton of things planned to eat, because I knew like my leg was gonna be hurting. So I'm just making breakfast, just made some coffee, and I'm going to head out in a little while because I have to go to my doctor's office because I'm getting a prescription for the typhoid vaccine. As you guys know now, my best friend and I, we do this annual trip. Well, one of us will plan the trip and the other person is surprised. Like it's like, oh, you don't know where you're going kind of thing. Last year was my turn, this year is Matt's turn. And he's like, you need to get all these vaccines. So I was like, oh my god, where are we going? I'm like, oh my god, he's about to have me in like some South Asian country or maybe like somewhere in South America. I have no idea. So I already started doing the vaccine. I already got the first shot for the hepatitis A vaccine, and now I'm going to my doctor's office to get a prescription for the typhoid vaccine, because typically you should be able to go to like a CVS or something and just get the shot, but they don't offer that where I live, so I have to go to my doctor's office. My doctor's office doesn't have like the shot available, which is weird. They are able to write me a prescription though, and I can collect that at my local CVS. So that's what we're doing today. I also have to do some other like small errands, but nothing too crazy because today's literally the day before I have to go back to work, and I still have to like meal prep and get myself mentally prepared to go back to work. So yeah, let me show you guys my breakfast real quick. Okay, so this is the that pastry hash brown I was telling you guys about. The potatoes are actually stuffed inside, and it's like a thin layer of ham and cheese on top. This is really good. I like it. I should have got two. It is so windy out here today. Hi guys. So I went to my doctor's appointment, got the prescription for this typhoid vaccine, and now I'm at Whole Foods because I need to grab some fruit because I don't have any at home, and I wanted to grab another bag of lettuce and possibly maybe some more ground beef, but I'm also kind of feeling like I want chicken this week because I had ground beef all last week. So let's go inside and get a few things. Y'all, why I get all the way over to this dang CVS and the vaccine medication that I just got prescribed, they don't have in stock. So they just had to order it for me. I'm actually tight because I have like their little text notifications, and I saw a text little bubble pop up, but I didn't read it. I just saw like, oh, your prescription And then the rest was like that. So I was like, oh, perfect. I'll go grab it real quick while I'm already out. Yeah, I should have actually read that message because it's out of stock. Hi guys, just got home. Got a couple of things. Really, it's just fruit and a couple of proteins. Some lean ground beef and this honey Dijon mustard. This honey Dijon chicken. Love these. This is so good. I always just like bake this in the oven with some onions, a little bit of peppers, and then just have it with like a veggie. So good. I love that chicken. That is a solid staple for me. So I'm going to get all of this produce clean, and then I'm about to do meal prep real quick, literally just for the work week. So I like to do, which you guys have seen before, I'm trying to be a little bit more conscious of the food that I'm eating. Granted, I do like to eat a lot of things that are not good for you, but I'm really trying to stop doing that. So like I've been not even trying, I literally make food every week. I'm not like eating out all the time, but I'm trying to make like more meals that are veggie focused with like a side of protein or whatever the case may be. So I've been doing like these quinoa bowls. Last week I did a beef one. This week I'm gonna do a chicken one, but I'm just gonna use regular chicken breasts. But I'm tight because when I went to the grocery store, I was supposed to grab black lentils and I forgot. So I still have the yellow orangish color ones, but I don't really want those. So I think I might just do, and also maybe I don't want to have quinoa this week. I think I might make it a potato bowl instead. So I'll do like roasted potatoes with the protein. I have a ton of spinach in the fridge that I need to use too, so I'll probably do spinach. I have broccoli as well. I'm like, maybe, and I have tomatoes and peppers. I'm like, maybe I'll just do like a hash, kind of. And I'll just show you guys later, I guess, when I'm finished. Yeah, I can't think right now because I'm actually kind of hungry. So I'm like, maybe I should have a little quick snack while I'm cooking, but that's a terrible idea because then I'll eat the snack and then I'm not going to be hungry for the meal after. So I really should avoid doing that. Okay, let me stop chatting and get to cooking. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm going to have this. This is the beef bulgogi one because I'm about to pass out. I'm starving. I really have to start doing this. I always wait till the last minute to eat. I feel like I'm doing that more now just because I've been doing this whole intermittent fasting thing. But you know what? I need to drop some weight and it's helping. It's helping. So I made just enough food for the bowls. I already had a feeling like because I ate one of those onigiri, I wasn't gonna have an appetite after I ate that. So I kind of messed myself up, but it's fine. I didn't feel like eating this kind of heavy of a meal this late anyway. So that onigiri was fine, and I ended up having also that ham and cheese croissant. It was good. And that was my dinner for today. And I was eating like some apples and a bunch of rogue grapes after cleaning them. So that is enough for me tonight. It is almost 7:30 now. I'm gonna take it down. I'm tired. This is, despite me not having like a whole bunch of stuff going on today, I just feel so tired. I'm like, I just want to sleep. So I'm gonna call it a night, and I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.